In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed your team members gallery in Squarespace. Unfortunately, since Squarespace doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets right here. I want you to focus on your tools section, and I want you to go all the way down to the bottom. And at the bottom, you will find Team Showcase right here. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the Team Showcase widgets page. From here, I want you to click on Create Widget for free, and then on the left hand side here, you'll see a bunch of different team member gallery templates that you can choose from. So on the left hand side of the templates, and then on the right hand side, you have a fully interactive preview of what the selected template will feel like on your Squarespace website. As you can see, this here is fully interactive. This is also just for desktop, by the way. So if you click on this mobile icon right here, you can also get a mobile view as well. Another thing I want you to keep in mind that these templates are fully customizable, so we can actually add and remove pretty much anything that you see on the screen right here. So yeah, what I want you to do is to browse through the different templates, choose the one that works best for you, and then I want you to click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we can start customizing your team members gallery. So the first thing you want to do is obviously go ahead and add all of your different team members right here on the left hand side. All you have to do is go ahead and click on add member on the top here, and then enter the name, position in your company, the biography, a photo, and then you can also add contact information right here as well, such as email, phone number, location, website, and so forth. Then once you're ready with filling out the information, click on done right here, and your team member will be added to the team members gallery. If you want to remove any team members, all you have to do is go ahead and click on the three dots right here next to their name, click on delete, and then it will automatically be removed from the team members gallery. Once you've done that, at the bottom here, you also see groups, widget title, call to action, and search. These are even more customizations they can take advantage of. So for example, if you take a look at the group section here, click on that, and then you just enable this. You can actually go ahead and group your team members. So for example, if you have a big company where you have a marketing department, an accounting department, an HR department, and so forth, you can actually put different team members into different groups. That way, instead of clicking all here, people can just go to like accounting specifically and then see all of your accounting team members. In my case, I'm going to disable this because it's not relevant for me, and I'm going to go ahead and click on back right here. Then on the left hand side, you'll see layout, style, and settings. These are even more customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize the team members gallery. So for example, in terms of layout, this is the current one that we have, but if you just flick through them, you can see different layouts that might better suit your needs. You can also change the width of the widget, and then obviously the text alignment. If you want it to be in the middle, just click on this, and as you can see, the text gets aligned. In terms of style, you can change the text color, the font, and a bunch of other things. I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can take advantage of. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're finished setting up your team members gallery, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then your widget will be saved up, and you'll be taken to this page here, which is where we need to go ahead and publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button right here. So you can see mine is grayed out because my widget is already published, but in your case, it won't be. So click on publish, and then you will automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you want to unlock more functionalities, such as have more than 200 views on your widget, or have more than one Elfsight widget on your Squarespace website, then you can obviously go for one of their premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different options they can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, browse for the plans, choose the one that works best for you, and then you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your team members gallery. It will look just like this. Click on copy code, and then let's head over to Squarespace so we can start integrating it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Squarespace website right here. So if I click on edit to get into the editor, what I need to do is go ahead and add a brand new section, which is where I want my team members gallery to be displayed. So I'm going to click on add section right here at the bottom, and then it's going to be a blank section that I want. Click on that, and then you will see a blank section added to your Squarespace website. Simply click on add block here in the new section in the top left corner of the screen, and then search for code, just like that. Click on code, and then you will see this code block added to your Squarespace website. Double click on it. make sure to set the mode here to HTML. It should be HTML by default, but just in case it isn't, make sure you set it to that. Then go ahead, delete this text and replace it with the code we just copied previously from else side. Click away, save and exit. And there you have it. Here is my fully interactive team members gallery. So you can see it's very bare bones right now, but I didn't really make any customizations to it. Don't worry about this panel that you see right here on the top. This is only visible by you just in case you want to go ahead and make any changes to the widget while it's still live on your website. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to embed the team members gallery in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.